Hi guys, good day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to design this using our smartphone, which is our Pixellab app. So this has been printed as sticker, phone sticker. So let's head in and know the size. So the size we are using 904 and then by 1280. That's the height. So I will just clean the minimization of this app and then go back to my Pixellab again. Pixellab. So let's start it all over together. So the size is 904 by the normal height. So let me just make the background to be white. So now I will create a shape here. This shape, just fix it here. So I will go to color and then pick a gradient color like this. I'm using this as a gradient color. So I will just kind of expand it and then I will just fix it like this. Yeah, this is perfect. So what will happen now is I will go to my stroke and then stroke it with this color. Yep. So this is good. This is good. This is good. So here is it. So I will go to gallery and then import the image of the guy, the celebrant. Yeah, here is it. So I'm just going to import his image like this. Yeah, let me just leave it like this. So I will go to color filter and then increase the saturation a little bit. So here we go with the saturation. So I will create a shape. On this shape, that's it. So I will go to max and then I will just do a kind of little bit. Yeah, so this is it. Let's see. So I'll clean this and then make it outside. Yep. So I will go to color and then make this gradient color. So I will increase the size. This is not what I need. I will go to max again. Sorry. I'll just go to max again. Yep. This place, I need this place to be a kind of. Sorry, let me redo this thing. Yep, to the other side like this. Yeah, let me just expand it now. So now what will happen is I will go to stroke and then stroke it with this again. Let me just use this. Yeah. Yeah. So what will happen now is I will lock the layers and then I will actually create another shape here. And this other shape, just create it like this. And then what will happen is I'll create another one here, duplicate it and then fix it like this. Yeah, and then I'll turn this to black. And then I will go and mesh the two, match them together. So what will happen now is I will go to erase color and then erase the black color. So here is our thing. So I'll go to stroke and then stroke it up. And go to color and then fix this color. Yep. So I will go with this. So I will type the name of the guy, which is Elisha, and then I'll fix it right here. I'll be using Bibas for this. Bibas. make it white so that it can appear well, and increase the size. Yeah, so I'll copy it and then write like this. Yep. Let me close the bracket. Let me go to my color and then change the color to this. Yeah, so this is good. I will go to here and then write congratulations at the top here. Let me turn it black to be white and then go to font. Let's see, which one should I choose for this? Okay, let me just choose this. Sorry. Let me just choose this. Yep. So let me just increase the size. Then I will go to text again. And then write on here. Make them uppercase letters. Go to font and then choose neutral regular, and I will decrease the size. Yep, I do it like this. So I will copy this and then write graduation. So let me just decrease the size. And I'll copy it again, write ceremony. So I'll go to the color and then change the color to be this. Yeah, here we go. Sorry. Yeah, here we go. So I will actually create a shape like this, and on this shape I will increase the radius, and then for the color I'm using a gradient color like this. Sorry, which one should I use? Which one should I use? It should be red, so it will be red. Let me just fix a little bit of the color. Yeah, so what will happen now is I will go to my crop and crop a little bit side of it. Yep, so let me just move this a little bit. Yeah, so I'll go to my text and write the name of the school, which is Silver Kids College. Technology. Right, yeah. So I'll just fix. Okay, let me go to my font, enter regular, and choose the fonts, and then I'll actually go to my spacing, decrease the spacing a little bit, then I'll fix it here. Let me go to alignment, and then align it like this. So I will decrease the size like this. So I will copy this and write from yep. So here we go with this. So now what will happen is I will go to my gallery and then import some of the icon medical graduation icons. So I'll leave the things on the description menu, the link to download all the files on the description menu so that you can actually download it and practice on your end. Yeah, so now what remains is I'll create a shape here, single shape like this, press the radius and fix it here. I'll copy it again and just increase the size and fix it here. And then what will happen now is I will go to color and then like the color to be red like this, a gradient color. Yeah, here is it. So now what will happen is I will create another shape here, just a small one. Yeah, yes. Now for this shape I will make it this color and fix it right here. Yeah, so I'll copy this and write 2025. And I'll copy it again and write me. And I copy it again and then write the date, which is 11. Now for this one I will change the color to be white, and then I will just fix it here. Yep, so now what will happen is I will just create a kind of this and I write 11th, it is 11th, I will just go to here. Yeah, so what remains now is I will copy this and I write the cuts family. So I will just drag it here, go to my, and then I will choose this color. Yeah, so here is it, here is our design. So I remember creating a kind of shape like this. On this shape I just make it to be this color. Sorry, let me see. Let me just turn it to the back and I'll go and just drag it up. Yeah, you see the difference? So this is just how I actually designed my sticker, and it was actually printed. So I'll leave the picture of the sticker on the comment section so that you can actually see the output of it. Thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so that we can actually go alongside. Thank you very much for your time. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.